The science behind metabolism. Metabolism refers to the complex set of chemical reactions that occur within living organisms to maintain life. Here's an overview of the science behind metabolism. Basics of metabolism. Metabolic pathways. Metabolism consists of catabolic and anabolic pathways. Catabolism breaks down complex molecules, e.g., carbohydrates, fats, proteins, into simpler compounds, releasing energy. Anabolism builds complex molecules, e.g., proteins, lipids, from simpler compounds, requiring energy. Energy production. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the primary energy currency in cells, generated through cellular respiration. Glycolysis breaks down glucose into pyruvate, producing ATP and NADH. Citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle, oxidizes acetyl-CoA derived from pyruvate and fatty acids, producing ATP, NADH, and FADH2. Electron transport chain uses NADH and FADH2 to generate ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. Regulation of metabolism. Enzymes, catalysts that regulate metabolic reactions by speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed. Hormones. Endocrine glands secrete hormones that regulate metabolism. Insulin regulates glucose uptake and storage. Glucagon stimulates glycogen breakdown and glucose release. Thyroid hormones influence metabolic rate and energy expenditure. Macronutrient metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism converts carbohydrates into glucose for energy or storage as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Lipid metabolism breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol for energy or storage as triglycerides in adipose tissue. Protein metabolism digests proteins into amino acids for building tissues, synthesizing enzymes, and energy production. Metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, the energy expenditure at rest to maintain essential physiological functions, e.g., breathing, circulation, cell maintenance. Factors influencing BMR. Age, gender, body composition, muscle versus fat, genetics, hormones, and environmental factors, temperature, diet. Metabolism and health. Obesity and weight management. Metabolism influences energy balance and weight regulation. Factors such as diet, exercise, and metabolic efficiency impact body composition. Metabolic disorders. Imbalances or dysfunctions in metabolism can lead to metabolic disorders. Diabetes mellitus. Impaired insulin production or response affecting glucose metabolism. Hyperlipidemia. Elevated levels of lipids in the blood, increasing cardiovascular disease risk. Thyroid disorders. Dysfunction in thyroid hormone production affecting metabolic rate. Metabolism and exercise. Exercise metabolism. Physical activity increases energy demand, stimulating metabolic pathways for ATP production and adaptation. Aerobic exercise. Enhances cardiovascular and respiratory fitness, utilizing oxygen for energy production. Anaerobic exercise. Improves muscle strength and power, relying on glycolysis for ATP production without oxygen. Understanding the science behind metabolism informs dietary choices, exercise routines, and lifestyle habits to optimize energy balance, maintain health, and prevent metabolic disorders. Ongoing research continues to explore metabolic pathways, regulation mechanisms, and therapeutic interventions to support metabolic health across diverse populations.